because we are artists. We're gonna fail. We have the left brain, so we need someone with the right brain to carry this thing and commercialize it right, create the right governance around it, and get the right partners, and we raise some funds, and it can help a lot of artists. So in my personal capacity, because I know everyone, I started early in the industry, I get calls, Johannesburg, Beverly, artists are in trouble, they need this, they need that, and I assist where I can. Even at times when I do assist, it always leaves me with a heavy heart, because I know I haven't solved the problem. I know it's gonna come back. Whoever who came to me needing something haven't figured out how to help themselves. So they're gonna come back. And they come back. And if I can, I help again, and they come back and I say no. And then when I say no, it still leaves me with a heavy heart, because I can't enjoy a glass of wine knowing, someone asked for something and I didn't give them. So on my personal space, it consumed me so much, where I was like, man, how can I solve this problem for myself and for all of us? It's something I've been carrying, So when Gerard Mellon told me about tonight and what was happening and the foundation, being honored, and I was like, there's something I've been thinking about for so long. And also, I must say, one of the biggest catalysts of it, when they called me, it was when the El Vogo video went viral, and how he had stroke, and he was on radio, and it was all over, the internet. And I just sat there thinking, like, what happens next? How can we help? Without it being personal, how can we create structures that, if someone has a problem like that and they need assistance with rehabilitation therapy, with clinical psychologists, with anything that is heavy, why don't we create some fund that can come and assist? Not your electricity bill, or your bond, or money to buy a car. Just like serious stuff, Hence I was talking about governance. So they loved the idea, and I was like, let's make it work. And I spoke to my sister who runs the foundation. She thought it's a good idea, and here we are today. There's a book that I read. I won't be able to quote word by word. It's by Hosea Rampegwa. It's called Gifted, Hunted, and Haunted. Please look it up if you're an artist. Gifted, Hunted, and Haunted. He speaks about how the gifted ones are hunted and haunted from birth. And he says that the reason the gifted people are hunted and haunted is because when they grow up and they become who we are, and they get the microphone and they can speak to millions and billions of people, whether it's on TV, whether I'm winning a Grammy, the first thing I'm going to say is, I want to thank God. So the devil knows where you're going to go. The devil knows how big you're going to become. And the devil comes early in your life so that you don't get here to this microphone. And so we grow up as very, very troubled people. That's why I have so much patience for fellow artists when they go through stuff, and because of this book that I read, it made me understand that it's not just because we want to. The devil doesn't want us to have a podium. So you will be destroyed at every chance. You will be challenged, you will be troubled, You will go from drugs to rehab to alcohol to, if you're a woman, you will be molested, you will be raped, all bad things will happen to you so that you don't walk your walk. And the main reason is so that you don't tell the world about God. So as artists, we carry so much weight in the world because without realizing, we are preaching the word. Even if we're gonna, everyone who's won an award, the first thing they will say to millions of people that are, and the main reason we are troubled is so that we don't get to the podium. So I'm saying this to fellow artists in the room. Recognize that, but do not use it as an excuse. Now that you know why you are troubled, fight. Don't just fight for fame. Fight for the right mind. Fight for the right mental strength to be able to make the right decisions and walk your walk. Because with God, you will come and be on the podium and thank Him. I'm standing here as a brother. You know, they calling me Grotman. I mean, there you are months younger. We are the same age. You know, I don't know. My girlfriend is not from here. She's like, why are they calling you Grotman? What does it mean? I'm like, I really don't know. You know, and at some point I started, you know, it was a little bit negative because it's like, Grotman, I need some money. First of all, you are older than me. So, you know, now I want to talk about some money. The reason you're here. And I have my friends here who, thank God, don't need anything from me. I want to make a donation personally. And I want some of my friends in the room to top it. But before that, I want to create a big auction. And I want you guys to tell me how much you are willing to pay for it. This is the first one. I want to give away a weekend experience in Ibiza. Flights booked, hotel booked. We meet for a couple. Okay, I want our need, please. We meet, we have dinner before the show. We get picked up, we go to the show together. We stay together in the show and I'm there until you want to go to sleep and you fly back home. All expenses covered. And I want to put a beat on that in the room. Guys, I'm not going to play. I want to put $1 million down for that. So what I mean is, if you donate $1 million, it's going to go to this cause. And you're going to experience this weekend all expenses paid. If she loses the award, she's hating what means is in the room. So please show up. Are there any takers in the room? I don't wanna call you by name. I don't wanna embarrass anyone. You know, I just want to generalize the takers. Are there any takers? Is there anyone who's willing to donate $1 million that's gonna go to us? this course so we can open our bank account and start the course. And in exchange, here in September, you can choose a weekend. We send you an itinerary, you get on the plane, we have a driver for you, they pick you up, they take you to your hotel. You go to spa, you have a massage. Thank you. You get a massage, we take you out to a nice restaurant, all expenses paid, and fly back home. This is an idea that it can also be a silent bid. So you can just go talk to her so that it's not.
Silent Silent
Hey, she's also the women I don't need it. She's also. Everybody, I sound like I'm going to organize a micropass, then you sound the acronym. So anyone who's willing to take on this is Funatu Corner. Just talk to her privately. And then me personally, I'd like to donate 200,000 to the cause. And I'd like my friends to top it. Also again, I don't want to call you by names. But if you don't say anything, I'm going to put you on the spot. Because I know you have the money. My friend Lee is going to add 50K. So we're just going to 250. Uyani is also going to add 50K.
Friends and US presidents welcome.
So we have 300K now towards. Yeah. There's another friend who's putting 80. So we are 80K now. Olatum was raising a hand.
Okay.
We are now on 480. Oh, 92. Yes, ma'am.
I am going to get to 50 now.
We have another 50. Now we're on 480.
Look at the back. Look at the back. There's so many hands at the back.
Okay, guys, someone needs to go there. Now there's a mic there. Yes, ma'am.
100.
As African tradition dictates, can we know who you are, sir, please?
I'm insane ready.
Guys, we're on 580. I'm hoping we're going to get to it.
There's another hand here, Gamal. Let's be patient and let the shiners leave their bodies.
0.250.
I'm losing count now. Someone must help me. We're on 580 and now.
Another 50. So that's 620.
No, 630.
630, Gamal. Balete Tembe, 50.
160 now.
Simone Nico. Gamal wants another 320, guys. Dingaduli. I'll translate what he said in our mother tongue. Unati, do not pass these cute white boys. They have a lot of money. And I flew with the two of you, so come on with it. Please.
We flew in the back of the plane.
Just like we did too, brother.
We have 20,000 here.
So we're 700.
That's 700,000. We need 300,000, please.
Dala Tuesday 50.
Dala 250. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Oscar.
Behold. 50 Oscar.
That was Oscar Mo. How much are we on now? How much are we on now? Are we on 800? Gamma, can I put TK under pressure? Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only TK is
Yo, 50.
Susan's dad. 50-50.
I 50K we are trained and I'm in for one.
We're on 900,000, ladies and gentlemen.
On behalf of anyone in your city, where's the power? I'm gonna donate 50. Okay. And then can you please take the mic to make power? And Steve
Matt Power, I'm coming to you now, sir. You know how much I love you, gentle brother.
I will give 150. Junior Loving.
And you are?
Junior Loving.
Junior Loving is giving 150. Smooth, what are we on now? We're on 1.1 million. My darling Matt. Hi, gorgeous.
So we're on 1.1 million.
We're on 1.1 million and
I want to make another announcement. There's a taker for visa and it's private. They're going to pay for 1 million and yeah, we're going to do it. So we are basically on 2.1 million.
May I ask you a question? I'm here standing next to Matt. What if someone wants to outbid your silent bidder? Because I mean, we're here to make money, right?
Yep.
So the first bid shouldn't be the only bid. So my very important question, Matt.
How much, Matt, are you willing to pay to outbid our silent bidder?
You know me so well.
Nati, I've been to Ibiza, thank you, so I'll skip that one. But I'll match my partner with 50 grand.
Amazing. We are 1.2 million now. We're 2.2 million now.
2.6, isn't it?
No, 2.2.
2.2.
Lung, are you taking all the notes? Thank you so much.
Usbu's also helping us count as well.
Sihle Xaba 50.
Sihle Xaba siyabulela 50. So that makes it?
2.3.
Mama, I think we should make them
But
donate more because I have to walk through the room in heels.
I just want to make a comment here. You know, being a South African, you know, and we as men are celebrated just once a year, and yet we are the only ones dominating this field. So we are the ladies. I mean, we are the equal rights. I mean, Girlfriend Day, Mother's Day, Women's Month, Women's Day, I mean, Valentine, birthday, anniversary. Victoria.
Thanks for DJ all the way from UAE. The DJ all the way from UAE, 50,000.
I promise you I'm coming to you now.
Kayam Ted for 50,000.
I need to come to Mrs. Bati first.
Yes,
Mrs.
ma'am.
Bati first, please. Ma Vicky, we love you. No pressure, my love.
Okay, Victoria, 50,000.
Wait.
Out of my money.
Wait. Your currency is not rand, so what 50 is it?
bolivars, yeah, which is like $5. No, 50,000 rounds.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, Brian Radisson, but I must put you on the spot. She's a wow. But hey, boss, I must put you on the spot.
Now, if it's taking this long, sister, move along, eh? Oh.
No,
Ukala ngono.
ngimkhoza so ngicelawayo. So ngicela ukuthi le ngxowa nje ezawuthathwa kuyo mhlawumbe yazibona inkomo ngeke ngikhabe kakhulu ngi-embarrasse ubhuti kufanele nje ibhasi so ke no
Phuka lapho.
amatholi namatholisi azikiphi la mali ngiyankola ziko but
Hayi kuyachaza.
I represent business, so I truly believe in what AI is doing,
Kuphuka.
and
Mhlekazi.
it only speaks to the longevity of
Lashona ilanga mhlekazi.
some of those calls. I also get them by virtue of my office and who I am in KZN and Durban. It just so happens that I don't know saying I find cameras, but again, now Mrs. Kati, I don't was a point my power.
Can you please not record this on Instagram Live? Yeah, it's quite private, so we don't want to expose people, and this is for a great cause, and we just want to keep the privacy.